I know you want to be successful, but how will you keep yourself motivated? In this highly competitive world out there, you need to compete with your competencies to emerge as a winner in life. Your willpower, your determination, your self discipline, your highest level of self motivation will emerge you as a winner. Welcome to iFly Station.
Do you want to be recognized as an outstanding leader? Do you want to achieve great success in life? Do you know the options that you have? Careers tomorrow are going to be entirely different from what we see them today. It is time to prepare for the future and keep your career options open. Welcome to the iFly Station.
Studying hard is okay, but what about studying smart? Yes, smart learning is the key. It is time to learn smart through memory and mind mapping. Have stress-free preparation for exams. Make studying and preparing for exams a fun activity. Welcome to iFly Station.
Math solutions are okay, but how about life solutions? Change is happening fast. The world around us is changing. Technology is changing. Tomorrow is unpredictable. In this scenario, you should be stronger, bolder, and confident to face the tougher challenges of life. Welcome to iFly Station.
You're good, but how about being extraordinary? It's the time to sharpen your skills. Set bigger goals. Be focused. Be more creative. Improve your communication skills. Manage your time well. Become an effective public speaker. More than anything, take an initiative to lead others successfully. Welcome to iFly Station.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక టీ బ్యాగ్లో లోపల ఉన్న టీ మంచి క్వాలిటీ లేదనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే మంచి టీ తయారవ్వదు మీకు. కాబట్టి వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈజ్ టీ బ్యాగ్లో ఉన్న టీ ఎంత గొప్పగా ఉంటే అంత అద్భుతమైన టీ తయారవుతుంది. దాని నుంచి మనం ఏం నేర్చుకోవచ్చు అంటే, మనలో అద్భుతమైన మెటీరియల్ ఉంటే రేపు ఒక అద్భుతమైన నాయకత్వాన్ని మనం ప్రజలకు ఇవ్వచ్చు అన్నమాట.
8142646940 82705199126576. Just believe in yourself. You to have the super brain. Whatever మీ సక్సెస్ కి మీ ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ కి మొత్తం కారణం ఓన్లీ ది స్మాల్ పార్ట్ కాల్డ్ బ్రెయిన్. దీంట్లో చేస్తే మంచి ఆలోచన, బాగా చదువుకుంటే యూ కెన్ బికమ్ ద నెంబర్ 1 person.
It's not important that where you began. It's very important where you end up. So failures will come every day, and then each failure brings in an opportunity. And then you go back and then you think about the same thing. Next day morning you better that, and then you go and then you say, thank God I failed yesterday.
Equip yourselves with the new skills to survive and excel in the new world.
Study smart. Outbid the competition.
Put that extra effort to become extraordinary.
Be a leader, be a winner.
This program was not to the level that I expected, but it was much, much, much more than that.
Even after 10 years or 20 years or 30 years or 40 years, I'll surely remember this iFly Station, the Winners Workshop.
This will be my best memory of my childhood.
If it goes more 100 days, I'll attend it and I love it a lot.
This workshop lets us to know what we are and what we should be.
The content and the interaction with the speakers was very fabulous.
This workshop is an amazing window in which you can meet influential, passionate, dedicated winners to take off into your successful future.
Thank you, iFly Station, a platform from where we can take off on a successful journey.
And finally, I'm going to miss Pradeep sir and Saraswati ma'am.
100% participation, 100% learning, 100% bonding, resulting into 100% transformation. What are you waiting for? Get set, go to fly high with iFly Station. Winners Workshop Season 2. Flag off your future.
Unlock your child's potential during this vacation. 10 days, 10 sessions, 10 life skills by best speakers. Every day 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. starting from May 17th onwards. For registrations, call or WhatsApp 99488 or mail to iflystation@gmail.com.
iFly Station,
The Winners Workshop.